so I've been busy today unbolting the steering column, the exhaust from underneath, taking the wings off and whatnot, so that I can basically lift the body shell up, which I've now done. I rigged up this wooden beam here, which locates in the seat belt mounts down here, and it's just propped up on a couple of blocks of wood there on the floor in the middle. So without any kind of axle stands or anything, I've got the whole thing lifted up and space to work underneath. So that's the next little bit of the project. I'm just about to drill some holes through here to plug weld through onto the Z piece. I've got to figure out what to do about this reinforcement here. Strictly speaking, it's no longer needed, so I may cut this off because that forms like a dual layer here, and I can't plug weld through. I wouldn't be able to get access, so I'm probably going to cut that off. Anyway, we'll see. I'll apply the thinking fairies to the matter and see what they come up with. Anyway, catch you later. Hiya guys, there's another update. It's the 10th of October. I actually haven't until yesterday even been at the garage here for a couple of weeks. So yesterday I got the first bit done in a little while. Let's show you what I've been doing. As you can see, I've had to lift the body off the chassis. So yesterday I was busy disconnecting the brakes and speedo cable and the electrics and everything else from here, and I've actually, to lift it up, I've used that wooden brace which locates in the sills, and it's stood up on axle stands, and I literally just pivoted it up and back, and it's suspended from the roof of the garage by a strap. That's working really well at the moment, and the reason that I wanted to lift it up like that, see that? Rust! Basically I knew there was a lot of loose rust inside the sills, and I found that out using, I've got a telescopic endoscope camera, which you know, it's got a light on the end of it, and you can insert it really a long way into the sill, and I was able to see there's quite a lot of flakes of rust, so I wanted that out before I weld on the last final piece, the Z piece, to the ends of the floors, because once that's welded on, the sills will be sealed up, although I will be drilling holes in each, so that I can insert the long nozzle of the cavity wax I'm going to use. The main reason I wanted the flaking rust out is so that the cavity wax is actually going to get a chance to get near the metal itself instead of just covering the rust, which wouldn't really do a lot of good. So that's that at the moment. You've already seen in other videos, you're not going to see this because there's no light in here whatsoever, but I've got the roof repair done and the bar welded across the top from one side to the other. I know there's no way you can see it, so I don't even know why I'm bothering to show you. Yeah, so at the moment I've emptied out the rust. I was literally just, you know, tapping away along the length of the sills with the soft mallet just to free up any rust in there. I think I got the worst of it out, so how boring is this video? What I'm also going to be doing, maybe not at the moment, but I'm going to be scraping off the old wax oil coating, getting rid of this rust, the surface rust that's formed here, and giving it a new coat of some underseal before I go too much further.